Oh well, hello there. Today we'll make tater tots. But not the shitty ones you know from your school's cafeteria, no. We make the most orgasmic tater tots with cheddar cheese sauce that will ever enter your mouth. So let's go. We start by peeling a bunch of starchy potatoes. Here's a cool trick I've seen these days that supposedly makes peeling taters easier. Wow, that was underwhelming. I go back to peeling regularly. Next, parboil the potatoes in very salty water. For the tater tots you want a mix of soft and still firmly solid potato shreds, so boil those for only around 10 minutes. Once done, take them out and let them cool down completely. With the potatoes now tempered, start grating them into rough shreds. We also do not want the strips to be too long, so shorten them with a scraper. As for the seasoning, just throw in some salt and freshly ground pepper. And last but not least, add equal amounts of wheat flour and potato starch until the mixture can be formed easily into the desired cylindrical shape without sticking to your hands like crazy. This will take a while. Be right back. Next, we fry these fuckers in duck fat at 175 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes or until golden brown and maybe also delicious. Occasionally stir, such that the tots brown evenly, and once done, take them out of their bath onto a piece of kitchen towel and season with flaky salt. While these cool down, we quickly make our cheddar cheese sauce. Start by adding lemon juice to a cold pan and add baking soda to it until the liquid doesn't taste sour anymore. Once the bubbling settles down, add milk and optionally butter to the pan and heat it to medium-high. Once the milk is heated up a bit, simply add cheddar and gouda to the liquid and stir until your sauce reaches this incredibly sexy, almost gooey consistency. Now we serve. Holy shit, that is looking so damn good. I can't wait to dig in.
Oh my lord. Oh god.
The live reaction says it all. What an explosion of taste and texture. A solid 8.7 out of 9. Definitely one of the potato recipes of all time. That's about it. See ya.